can't wait to show you what I brought today. You're gonna love it.
Let's go, it's time to see a picnic with letters A, B, C. Foxy walks with happy feet. She brings an apple, A is the beat. Next comes avocado, A again. And almonds too, it's A, my friend. Let's go, it's time to see a picnic with letters A, B, C. Moo walks down the sunny way. She brings some milk and leads the day. Then comes Melon, M is here, and a muffin, and loud and clear. Let's go, it's time to see a picnic with letters A, B, C. Gigi walks so full of cheer. She brings a banana, B is here. Next is blueberry, B again. And bread, B from end to end. Let's go, it's time to see a picnic with letters A, B, C. Muffin trots with ears that flap. He brings a cookie, C in his lap. Then comes carrot, C so bright. And cheese, C feels just right. Letters and snacks, 1, 2, 3. Thanks for joining our picnic spree.
Look what I brought, an apple. It's red and delicious, right? I've also brought an avocado, full of nutrients and vitamins too. Almonds? Oh yeah, I brought them.
I've brought a melon and other things. Want to see them? And this muffin? I want it. Milk? Yeah! So good!
I have also brought bread. It's soft and yummy to eat. Blueberries? Yeah, I brought sweet blueberries for the picnic today. Look, yeah. Banana is so good to eat.
I brought cookies. Who doesn't love cookie, right? I love it. Cheese. I brought cheese. I love it. Look, I brought a carrot. Sweet and full of nutrients.